What is going on, my YouTube friends? Hey, guess what? So the rotisserie is completely off the Fairmont. I got it. I set it up earlier, took some pictures of it. I'm getting ready to put it on marketplace for sale. And then we're going to get her done. Yeah, buddy, we're going to start working on this Fairmont. I am so happy. Let's turn around and look at this Fairmont because it looks really cool now that the rotisserie's off of it. Haha, yeah, buddy. No rotisserie. It's over there. Four-wheeler's out in front of the garage door. But yeah, it's a really nice stance. Oh yeah. I like the way that tire is fitting. That is like the ultimate. Because I hate when they're sunk in too far. You know what I'm saying? They just look silly that way. You know, look like a Hot Wheels car when they're sunk in too far. That thing right there is sitting just right. I'd rather have them stick out a little bit than being sucked in too far. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with it, man. Same thing on this side. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So anyhow, I come out here this morning, working on getting that rotisserie off of here. I'm gonna get some pictures. Hopefully we can get it sold quick so I can have the room in the garage. And no, I can't let it sit outside. We don't need it rusting up on somebody. If I was gonna really take the time, I would do that right and put some jacks on there so we could jack it and not have to do what we went through yesterday with me and the wife. And I sure appreciate her coming over and helping. So, with all that being said, we're gonna get this bumper out, get the bumper shocks out, and start playing with the car, man. So let me get to you. Well, I gotta say, man, it was pretty quick. I've already sold that rotisserie, and shoot, I don't even know what time it is right now. But I put it on this morning, and it's gone. I don't know what time is it. Let's take a look, see. Let's see what time it is. Yeah. I know. Right now, it is 1:33. So just a few hours, I sold that thing. Got the $500 back. I posted it for $650. Got $500 out of it. The guy was out of town. I'm like, I want to get rid of this thing today. And he sent his buddy over here and picked it up and sent me my money through PayPal. So I'm happy. So not only do we have that, let me get this done here. Not only do we have the rotisserie gone, we got room. And we can start rocking and rolling. We got a few extra bucks in case we need it or whatever. And get this, man, my wife even come out there to help us load that thing. Boy, she's a bad woman. Yes, sir. I like to have a wife. She helps me do things and this and that. Oh, yeah, she's good to me. So anyhow, guys, I'm going to end this right here. We are going to start marking up the gas tank and get things mocked up. I got to dig the bumper and everything out and start getting this thing rocking and rolling, baby. So the last couple of days, we have accomplished a lot. So let's keep it rolling, baby. All right, you guys are awesome. If anybody tells you any different, you tell them come see me and I'll tell them you're awesome. You guys have a great rest of your day, night, or whatever time it is you watch this. Yeah, buddy.